welcome to Janjoun'S Kitchen. Yes, tama ang nakikita nyo guys. Tayo ay nandito sa Georgia. Ayan ang view sa labas ng ating bahay. So, speaking of the bahay, we are having our new house here from Airbnb and this is the kitchen. So, of course, ang favorite nating place ng bahay ang kitchen. Time check 9:20 in the morning. Tayo ay kagigising lang guys. Ako ay na-amaze sa panibagong takore na ito ha, kasi ang takore sa aking bahay ay kakaiba. So, itong takore nito ay talaga namang beautiful in the eyes of the nature. Ayan, may pa-flower siya dyan. And, guys, kayo ba excited na? Of course, papakita ko sa inyo ang laman ng ating refrigerator. So, ito ang mga napamili natin kahapon. This is our first day here in Tbilisi, whereas the city of Georgia, or the capital city of Georgia. Ayan. So, meron tayo dyang pa-cheese, may pa-salami at may pa-ham. Lahat yan nabili natin sa isang supermarket very close to our place here. And of course, meron din tayong butter. And meron tayong, yan ang butter na gagamitin natin sa lahat ng ating pagluluto. Wala tayong oil dito guys. So meron akong natirang sausages kagabi pero hindi natin gagamitin yan for today's breakfast. So also, I'm thinking to have milk pero baka hindi rin ako mag-milk ngayon. Pero for sure, ako ay mag-tomatoes at mag-eggs dahil I'm not a milky person. I'm not a milky person. I am a coffee person. Ayan. So, ihanda ko lang ating recipe para tayo ay magsimula na. First things first, I am going to cut this cheese into small pieces. Ayan. Bakit natin ginagawa? Dahil ating ibubudbod ang cheese na ito on top of the eggs and tomatoes later. Yan ang ating last step sa ating menu for today. And then next, we are going to cut this ham into half. Ayan, para mapabilis. Ito ay, ham na ito ay, ito talaga, ang ham na talagang paborito ko guys. The best ham in my whole life. Na? Ayan, hindi. Meron ding mga paham sa Pilipinas at hindi sila nagkakaiba ng lasa. So, I miss the Philippines ham also. But, because tayo ngayon ay nasa Georgia, of course, gagamitin natin ang Georgia ham. And, ayan, i-organize natin ang ating mga ingredients sa isang plato. And, of course, I'm going to cut these tomatoes. These tomatoes, I'm going to use it just to extract some sauce and taste from it. Ayan. So, tayo rin ay gagamit ng 4 eggs. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng masustansyang breakfast sa umaga. Hindi natin kakalimutan gumamit ng butter. Dahil sa nga, sinabi ko na guys, wala tayong oil dito. Butter lang. Ayan. So, pailawin na natin ang ating stove, ha? Ang exhaust fan. Buksan na yan. At tayo nang magsimulang magluto. Ayan. So, itong loving pan na ito, lalagyan natin ng 2.5 teaspoons of butter to melt. Ayan. Pero depende yan sa inyo guys kung gusto nyo dagdagan. Pero ako, okay na sa akin ang 2.5 teaspoons of butter. And of course, yung hiniwa nating tomatoes, we're going to put it on the sides. Ayan, ha? May pa creativity tayo dyan. May pa-award. Cover the tomatoes until it's a bit soft and saucy, just like so. And then I am going to put the ham to fry it a little bit from side to side, not to make it burn, guys. So, slow lang ang fire natin dito. Ayan. So, pag na-feel nyo na, ang instinct nyo, sinabi na, okay na to. Then, i-turn nyo na on the other side. Ayan. Of course, hindi lang ang hamang ating lulutuin sa magkabilang panig nito. Both sides, ganun din ang tomatoes para pantay ang buong sides or ang parehas na sides ng tomatoes natin. Ayan. So, gagawin lang natin ito sa lahat ng ham. Same procedures. Ayan. So, ipapakita natin yan sa video ito, guys. So, watch nyo lang siya. So we are going to cook the rest of the ham. It's the same procedure, guys. And after that, we are going to use the same pan frying these 4 eggs. So as you can see, I'm putting the eggs now, and I'm gonna use a pinch of salt just to have a little taste from it, apart from the sauce that has been extracted from the tomatoes. Yan. So, and let's make sure na ang ating eggs ay totally distributed para hindi naman maging hilaw yung ibabaw. Ayan. So, next we are going to scattered. Ayan. Ilagay lang natin ang ating cheese on top para maging cheesy rin naman ang ating eggs. And i-cover natin siya hanggang sa ma-melt. And then, from time to time, i-check din natin. Ayan. Just to make sure na hindi nasusunog ang ilalim, guys. Kailangan yan because ang eggs and ang cheese very easy to cook and very easy to get burned. Ayan. So, cover ulit natin. And of course, final touch, eto na ang ating plating, guys. Here comes the ham on its plate. Ayan. Siyempre, ang ham na ito, lamang na lamang ako. 3 ham sa akin, 2 ham lang para sa ating leader of the band. Of course, eto na ang ating pinaka-main menu sa araw na ito. Ang egg, tomatoes with cheese on it. Ayan. So guys, ayan. Kung natutuwa kayo at kayo ay natatakam sa recipe na ito, please, you are free to watch and you are free to try this recipe at home. Kahit na ako ay nasa Georgia, i-try nyo yan kung saan man kayo bansa naroon, guys. Believe me, hindi kayo magsisisi dahil ito ay napaka-simple, napaka-healthy, and super tasty. Ayan. To all my loving subscribers in the world, thank you for watching me, even if I'm very, very far from you. Ayan. I'm greeting you. And I'm sending you all my love from Georgia. Thank you for watching my video. And please don't forget to click the notification bell for my new uploads. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.